November 3, 2022, Xiaomi announced the Xiaomi 12S Ultra Concept Edition. Which previously, Xiaomi 12S Ultra is also released as a collaboration with Leica, a camera company. It has Sony 50 megapixel 1-inch sensor, which is the size of Nikon CX format. Yes, a pocket camera sensor. Not just that, it also supports with two 48 megapixel sensors. So there's no more image resolution imbalance when you switch sensor. The Xiaomi 12S Ultra Concept Edition brings phone camera further than ever before. You can mount the custom lenses on the phone, and the structure was reinforced so it can provide a better and secure mounting for lenses. Talking about portability, we're expecting a hidden yet stylish mounting platform. And yeah, they also think about that. They create a custom mounting cover and Leica M-mount adapter to provide its support for the external lenses. The console phone camera was its bad and unfavorable result for photographers due to its hardware limitation. We know all lens movement in phone camera are limited to its size. And of course, theoretically, we know it has much more optical losses rather than professional camera. But what is interesting in phone camera is we know that it has a high performance processor compared to pro cameras, which in theory it can provide support for complex AI algorithm to improve its image result. That's the main idea why Xiaomi doing this. The only cons of professional camera was its portability issue and its minimum development in its software sector due to its hardware limitation. Yes, of course, camera processor can handle heavyweight tasks such as AI. AI, especially in photography, needs a powerful hardware and software. In this phone, Xiaomi had built a custom software that can provide useful tools for photographers or videographers like focus picking, histogram, exposure verification, and many more. With the development of Xiaomi 12S Concept Edition, we are quite optimistic about its future of improvement in phone camera. So yeah, phone camera could defeat pro camera in the future. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.